Hey there, homeowners. Planning a bathroom remodel? Today I'm sharing top tips on how to select the perfect bathroom remodeling contractor. Let's dive in. First up, identify your goals and priorities. Think about essential upgrades like lighting, storage, and ventilation. Set a practical budget, and don't forget to include a 10 to 15% contingency fund for those unexpected costs. Also, choose a style and functionality that fits your vision. Next, find reputable contractors. Use online platforms, local directories, and personal recommendations. Look for contractors with relevant certifications and memberships in professional associations. This ensures they meet industry standards. Now let's talk about assessing contractor credentials and quality. Verify their licenses, insurance, and certifications. Review portfolios and client testimonials to evaluate their experience and craftsmanship. When you've shortlisted a few contractors, ask critical questions. Clarify timelines, communication methods, and ensure they comply with permits and regulations. Understand the team composition, including any subcontractors. Then compare detailed estimates. Request itemized bids to analyze costs and inclusions. Identify any potential hidden expenses and review payment terms. Finally, prepare for the remodel. Review and sign a clear contract outlining the scope, timeline, and payment schedule. Prepare your home by clearing the bathroom and protecting nearby spaces. Maintain open communication throughout the project. By carefully selecting a contractor and planning your project, you can ensure a successful, stress-free bathroom transformation that meets your goals. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your remodel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips.